Kuala Lumpur police have dismantled a significant online gambling call centre, arresting 30 young adults in a commercial building raid. This operation targeting users in China highlights the persistent challenge of transnational illegal gambling. Authorities seized 30 computer monitors, 60 mobile phones, and networking equipment, indicating a sophisticated setup active for 2 months. 23 Malaysian men, 6 Malaysian women, and 1 Chinese national aged 20 to 27 were detained. Police are actively searching for the alleged Chinese mastermind. Investigations fall under Malaysia's Common Gaming Houses Act, with severe penalties, including fines up to $50,000 per offence and 3 years imprisonment. This bust is part of Malaysia's broader crackdown on remote gambling operations, often disguised as legitimate businesses. It underscores the cross-border nature of these syndicates, leveraging strategic internet infrastructure. Visit iGamingGiants.com for more industry updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video to stay informed on high-risk industry developments.